In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to reset keyboard shortcut keys in Microsoft Word. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the steps. First things first, we need to bring up our Microsoft Word. So by that, please proceed at the button search bar here and type for Word. Once you've typed it, the best match would appear. Please navigate to it by clicking on the open option here. We just have to wait until an open option would be appearing, and once it's here, click or tap on it so that you can proceed. So eventually you would be redirected to the Microsoft Word, where here you can see a blank document. Tap on it, and the moment you do it, you just have to navigate to the top of it, and at the left side of that you can see there an option called File. Click on it and this would appear, and at the left pane proceed with options. So the moment you click on it, you would be able to bring up this kind of window where it contains all of the settings under Word. Where here you need to navigate to the left pane again, but this time click on Customize Ribbon. And at the bottom of that, you can see there are keyboard shortcuts, and there is an option being attached which is Customize. Click on it, and eventually you would be able to see a customized keyboard window where you can see categories commands. So in order to reset the keyboard shortcuts here in Microsoft Word, just select on Reset All. And here, are you sure you want to reset the key assignments? These actions will remove all keys currently assigned to macros and installs in normal. So if you would like to reset the keyboard shortcut, click on Yes. And in that way, you would be able to reset it. Okay? So that's it. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Don't forget also to leave a comment at the comment section below if you have succeeded on resetting the keyboard shortcut here in your Microsoft Word. Now, thank you and have a good day.